Tools needed for this install is a 1/4-inch screwdriver or ratchet, 10mm socket, 10mm wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and a panel popper. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on a 2013 to 18 Dodge Ram pickup. Let's get started. First step, using your panel popper, we're gonna remove 6 plastic push pins, securing the radiator shroud. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After that, go ahead and remove your radiator shroud. Next, remove 4 10mm bolts securing the top of the grill. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next step, we're gonna remove the grill. We're gonna unclip it here and here. Using your panel popper, we're gonna remove 1 plastic push pin here so that we can open up this access panel. Go ahead and open it up. Inside, there's a latch. We're just gonna lift it up to release the back bracket of the headlight. Next step, we're gonna remove 2 10mm bolts, securing the headlight. After removing your bolts, we're gonna carefully tug on our headlight. So here's the main harness. Go ahead and press down on the tab to disconnect. And inside here, this rear bracket right here goes through this square, and this is the latch to lock it in place. This next step, we're gonna transfer over the high beam bulb. So go to grab your factory headlight. We're gonna open up this cover. Gonna remove the screws. Open up your cover. Here's the high beam bulb right here. Going to turn it counterclockwise. Disconnect it. Going to bring over your Spyder headlight. Turn it to the back. Open up this cover here. Pull the wire through a little bit. Go ahead and plug in your high beam bulb. Go ahead and install your high beam bulb. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Reinstall your cover. Make sure it's completely sealed to prevent any moisture. Now we're ready to install our headlight. All right, go ahead and bring over your new headlight. Plug it in. Make sure it locks in place. Make sure it's secure. So make sure this ball joint falls into the slot, as well as this back bracket falls into this slot. Snap it in place. Next, reinstall your 2 10mm bolts. Now moving to the passenger side wheel well, we're gonna open up the access panel. We're gonna reach over and lock the latch to the headlight. Just gonna pull it down, close the access panel, and reinstall your plastic push pin. After installing the passenger side, let's repeat the same process to the driver's side. After installing your headlights, go to reinstall your grille. Next, reinstall your 4 10mm bolts. Next, reinstall your radiator shroud. Along with your 6 plastic clips. Now that we have our headlights installed, let's close the hood and test all our headlight functions.